What's going on, miners? Chump Change XD here. Hope you're all staying healthy, having a great day. Today we're going to go over the RTX 3090 Ti for the Win 3 Black hash rates and overclocks inside HiveOS. I'm going to give you guys the wattage at the wall this GPU is pulling, the hash rate, and all the overclocks we're using. Just going to blast through some pictures, not going to draw this out. So if you guys are into that, let's do it. All right, let's jump right into it. So we're going to start with Ethereum first. As you can see, we have 130.7 right here. It's actually reading the 3090 Ti, as you can see, GeForce RTX 3090 Ti. We put the new driver in here. You can't see it because my camera's in the way, but it's the 510.60 driver. So I actually went ahead and put all of this together for you guys on a picture. As you can see, the PMD meter is right there. I'll leave a link to that thing down below if you guys are interested in it. 3090 Ti, unfortunately, was kind of a bust all around, but Ethereum, we're getting 130.7 mega hash. We have the core clock at 1200. The memory's at 2750. The power limit was locked in with the core clock. We have the wattage in the software was 313. Then we had the wall 357, as you can see, and the riser was 8 watts. So over here at Ethereum Classic, we're going to have the same exact thing, all the same clocks as Ethereum. Then we're going to have right around 130 mega hash, and the wattage was literally the same. So there it is for you. Now let's jump over to Raven Coin. So here we are at Raven. As you can see, we're doing 53.30. This was actually able to be pushed right around 60 to 63 or so, but it was for an extra 100 watts in the software. It was literally reading 450 right here instead of the 350. As you can see, the 510 drivers right there. Now here at the sheet with all the clocks, we're doing core clock of 100. We have 2750 on the memory, 350 on the power. The software is 350. Then we had the wall wattage, which is 397, as you can see in the picture next to us. And the riser was saying 6 watts, which is weird because it's usually right around 8 watts and it's steady for every other algorithm except for right here. So again, as you can see, the hash rate was 53.3. Now let's jump into FIRO and see what we get over there. So now we're over here mining FIRO. As you can see, we're doing 54.18 mega hash. Jump right over to the picture. We're doing core clock 100. We're doing the memory at 1000. We have the power limit at 350. Again, we can push this further, but 450 watts for, 10 extra mega hash, if that, really isn't worth it in my mind. So these are comfortable clocks, just so you guys know. Software was reading 350, the walls at 399, and the riser again at 6 watts, which is kind of weird. 54.18. So now let's jump over to Ergo and check that out. All right, so right here we have Ergo mining away at 275.3 mega hashes. As you can see, we have the core clock at 1800. We have the memory at 2700. The power limit is locked in. Then we have the software was reading 241 watts. We have the wall at 276, as you can see in the picture right there. And the riser was at 8 watts. Again, 275.3 mega hash. Now let's jump over and check out Aletheium. So now we're here at Aletheium. So this is the dual mineable coin that most people are doing, Ethereum and Aletheium at the same time. We just cut out Ethereum and did directly Aletheium just to see how much this was capable of. We're able to get 2.943 gigahash. Over here looking at the clocks, we have 200 on the core, 2700 on the memory, 330 for the power limit. We have the power limit in the software at 329. The wall is reading 373, as you can see right next to it, and the riser is doing 8 watts. Again, 2.943 gigahash. Now let's go check out Toncoin. Over here on Ton, this thing actually killed it. We got 5.334 gigahash. Again, this was able to be pushed a little higher on Aletheium and Ton, but the wattage just wasn't worth it. So now looking at the clocks, we have 100 on the core. The memory was non-existent. We didn't have to put it in. The power limit, we put 330. Then in the software, it was reading 329. The wall, it was at 373, just like Aletheium, and the riser 8 watts. Again, we're doing 5.334 gigahash on Ton. Now, last but not least, let's go check out FLUX. So over here on FLUX, we're doing 113.2 souls. This is on the Equihash algorithm. All right, so now over here looking at the clocks. So we have 100 on the core, 2750 on the memory. We have the power at 350. In the software, it's reading 349. The wall, it's right around 357. It's just going all over the place, as you guys can see. Flux fluctuates all the time. I don't know why, but that's why we took a video instead of a picture. The riser's at 8 watts, and again, we're doing 113.2 souls. So what do you guys think? I mean, to be honest, I'm not really impressed with the 3090 Ti. I don't think I'll be buying one anytime soon. I have read online that these are not LHR, but they sure seem to be, in my eyes anyways. I feel like they would probably get around 145, if I'm not mistaken, on Ethereum if they weren't LHR. I mean, I don't know. You guys let me know what you think down in the comments below. If you guys think this is an LHR card or not. Everything I'm reading says it isn't, so who knows? Also, we are partnered up with the MeterBox company for the month of March. You guys have like 1 day left. If you're interested in winning that 8 GPU server case, it's literally an entire rig except for the GPUs, which is awesome. And you get double the entries with the chump green color. So if you guys appreciated this content, don't forget, go down here, hit this like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you guys haven't seen this video or this video, please go check them out. And I'll see you guys soon. Peace.